Hello everybody and welcome to a tutorial on how to install Hmmsim routes and trains for the mobile device of BVE. So what you're going to have today is a folder called Railway and Trains. Right? You're going to have these two folders. And what you're going to do is open up Railway. You're going to create a new folder called Railway by just right clicking, New, and then you should see folders. Now that you create Railway, you're going to create another one called Trains, or just Train. And that's it. Since I have my two folders, I don't need to do it. So what you're going to do is open up Railway. Do Object, Route, and Sound. 3 folders. Your objects after that will be dragged into the 8th will be the folders that you're using for BVE, which is the shuttle or 8th Avenue. Then your route, the default route, which is the name. I just renamed mine to BR temp. So yeah. What you're gonna do is you're gonna drag all your objects into this file, your routes into this file, and your sounds. Train. And you're gonna see whatever train you want. So I'm gonna be using the R38, 10 cars. So yes. You're going to open up BVE to Hmmsim. The route file is the file that you're going to locate, which is this, and it's going to be open. Now this part, the output file, will go back into this area. Let me delete this. And you're going to rename it to the NYCTA Beta A. The file that we are going to be using, the original A line. Now you're going to click Convert. As it's converting, it's going to take all those objects that you have and convert it into smaller and tinier objects. As it's compressing, it will get a little bit smaller. So the reduced minimum size is the texture size on the objects to run faster on your device. The reduced file 0, 1, and 2 recommends the lowest to the medium to the high settings of texture reduction. The texture maximum size is at least 1294. That's the maximum. Now your compression is now starting, which means that it's taking all those B3D CSV objects, compressing it into one, as well as your sound folders. So just wait for it to finish. Compression is now finished and it's deleting a lot of items, or a little bit. Now that your compression is now finished, you're going to go back into your Railway folder. You're going to locate this. You're going to copy it and you're going to bring it towards your phone. So I'm using my Nexus. What you're going to do is that you're going to bring it and you're going to create a new folder by right clicking and you click folder. Then you should make a folder called Hmmsim. Open it. Paste the file down. Now to remove files, you must click on a file, delete. Now all your folders will be here. Now if anybody has an error that says cannot copy, or with an X error, it's not going to work. You must restart your phone, or you just must log off your computer, and that's it. You don't need to restart the whole thing. Restart your phone, but not the computer. Now, as you see all of these, I have all my routes here. So you're going to drag it, create a folder, and that's it. To see if the train is actually going to be there, click on BVE. Browse manually. Go to where you last activated your folder. I just made a testing folder. And go to Railway. To know if your train will work or the route, you must see both of these. The route and the train automatically pops up. If these pop up, click. It means that you could just start it automatically. If it doesn't, then that means it fails. So you must do the following. Create a railway folder, create a train folder, create an object, route, and sound folder, exactly all lowercase. You're going to select your route, put it there, put your object in here, put your sounds in here, load up BBR, select the route that you're using only. Select the name or the output folder, which is the same place as your route, and that should be it for now. Now we're going to run it on our device to see if it works.
Okay everybody, so now that we're on a mobile device, you will see the Hmmsim loading page, which is new game, options, credits, exit game. Click new game, click onto the beta of the A, load it, and click play. The routes that are not supported in this game are the routes that have the include files and the RW files. They are not working because their version has mixed up parts, which should be in one gigantic CSV line. So for all the developers and everybody else who hasn't completed your projects, I would highly advise to jump to CSV. Now that you have loaded up this, you will come to the error section which says, are you sure you want to ignore errors? Click OK and it should load up. Now that you have all of this, your train should be loaded, but you will not be able to see your exterior view or your interior view or the cab itself. The cab is just this. This is your cab, and that's it. We're going to close the doors. You will hear the horn, but you will not be able to see any exposure of the parts. So I'm going to drive to the next station to show you how it works. So basically, in this tutorial, you have to know how to install, manage, and how to understand the basics of Hmmsim. There are no dedicated tutorials on how to install and Okay, so now that you have learned how to install the parts of the trains, you are now ready to understand the basics. So like and subscribe.